Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is Life After 60. Well, I'm going to start a new one at Life After 62. In 24 days, I will be 62 years of age. Today is kind of a somber day because I am now dropping to 16 hours a month of work. And that is because I have applied for Social Security. And that will be coming in the end of August. Because when you go on it, you have to be 62 for 30 days. And then you are now qualified for Social Security. So my birthday being the 25th of June, I have to be 62 for 30 days, which takes me to July 25th, and then the clock starts ticking, and then you'll get your check 30 days later. So today is my last day of working a 40-hour, 30-hour, 24-hour week. You're only allowed to make, I believe right now it's $19,200 and something dollars a year. Now, you can work the entire year making that amount of money, and then you have to stop. Because if you don't, you will get penalized. And they will take it out the following year because you have to turn in your W-2s. That's how they will know whether you have made more or less than, well, I wouldn't say less, but more than you're allowed to. Now, supposedly every year after that, you can make more money. I'm not sure yet, but we'll find out. The process right now is you just sign up 90 days prior to your 62nd birthday. Get the process rolling and go forward. And it was simple for me. The only thing I did wrong was I added in my retirement income. Now, retirement income does not fall under the category of making under a certain amount. Only physical jobs and the W-2 that you're going to get is going to fall under that. So your retirement from your company or 401k or whatever does not count. If you've got side jobs you do part-time and get a W-2 for, count. So right, today is my last day of doing this job. I've been doing it 24 hours a week, and overtime and stuff like that. So that's the end of that. I'm only allowed to work 8 days a month, and it only took me 40 years to get here. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and check out my newest channel, which is Searching For. And that's going to be looking for cold cases as well as cleaning up the ecosystem while I'm doing my searches.